Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make this prawn or shrimp curry. Really, really tasty. Coconut, chilies, beautiful spices. It's fantastic and it's very easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got 1 cup here, these 4 of each here. So we've got potatoes cut nice and small, coconut milk, tomatoes. What I've done with those tomatoes is I've stuck them in my food processor to get them really nice and smooth. If you don't have time or don't have a food processor, just cut them really small. Onion, again, cut small. The shrimps or prawns, so there's just under 3 cups there. It's about 2.5, 2 3/4 cups there of them. They were a frozen one. What I've done is just put them in some cold water, let them sit, and they usually come with like a big kind of glaze of ice around them. So that was 1 kg in the packet, but 50% of it is ice, to be honest. So there's about 500 grams there. Okay, I've got some fresh chili slit down the middle like that. You can put in as many as you want. I've got a teaspoon there of garam masala powder, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then some powders, the big 4. What we've got is half a teaspoon there of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili, I'm using Kashmiri chili, and then 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander. In here we've got our whole spices, little bit there of stick of cinnamon, about a teaspoon of black peppercorns, 3 or 4 green cardamons, and 3 black. Let's get to the cooker and get this going. Okay, so I'm using coconut oil today. You can use a different oil if you want. I've got a nice heaped tablespoon of that. Just going to melt that down. So the heat is on above medium. We're going to start off by dropping in a couple of teaspoons there of cumin seeds, cinnamon, black cardamom, green cardamon, and black peppercorns. Now with the cardamoms, if you want, especially with the black ones, you can crush them and open them out a little bit, or you can put them in just like I have, just like that. So a few seconds here, never skip this step, really quite important. Then we're going to go with 1 cup of onion, and we're going to go for about 4 minutes or so on this vibrant heat. Beautiful. Now get that 1 cup of potatoes that we've cut small, get them in. I'm going to add a little bit of salt now, and we're going to go for another 3 or 4 minutes. Again, keep it moving. Great stuff. Next up, the tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And I always say this, if you're a regular to the show, you can buy it in you can buy it in every single Indian store, most Asian stores. Obviously you can get it online, and like us, you can make it yourself. We use loads and loads of it, of course, here, so we make it ourselves. Beautiful, beautiful. Now we're going to get the 1 cup of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, in they go. And like I say, stuck these into my food processor. Again, because we cook so much, we do this in big batches. You don't have to do this, you can just cut them nice and small. We're now going to add in our fresh chili, as much or as little as you like. And then spices, so the big 4, double the amount there of chili powder to the cumin and the coriander, and then half a teaspoon of the turmeric. About 5 minutes now, again staying on the vibrant heat. We want those tomatoes to cook down. We might even get some moisture from them. So as the tomatoes have cooked, lots of moisture has come out, as you can see. If you didn't get that, don't worry. We're now going to drop in our shrimps or prawns, and again we're staying on this vibrant heat for 4 minutes only. Okay, now 1 cup coconut milk. To that, we're going to add a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Garam masala powder is a beautiful kind of mixture. Nice kind of finishing powder, actually. Very, very essential in many dishes. And we're going to go now for another 4 minutes. Stay on this vibrant, above medium heat. You've done it. Okay, and off goes the heat. That is absolutely banging. Spicy, creamy, delicious. If you want, you can get some cilantro or coriander in there and give it a mix. I'm just going to put a bit on the top. Let me get that on the table. All right, there you go, job done. A beautiful coconut but spicy prawn or shrimp curry. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. Please take time to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.